Templates are used by Telguard to make installations easy and repeatable for the dealer by auto-populating fields that are consistently reused for each type of installation. This video will describe a template for a Telguard TG-7FS configured for a Sole Pathfire installation. This template will show one configuration for the STC relay settings with no self-test. The TG-7FS will use the TCC option, be configured for Sole Path Link supervision, and offer IP signal delivery. To get started, launch your browser and open Telguard.com. Telguard recommends the Google Chrome browser. Sign in to Telguard.com with your dealer credentials. The first page displayed shows the dashboard. The dashboard provides a summary of all the devices in your dealer account with hyperlinks you can select to see specific data such as total active units or total pending activations. In addition to dashboard, other tabs are provided such as dealer, subscriber, user, and support. Since there are several ways to start the Create Template process, we will choose to start the process by using the Subscriber tab. Hover over Subscriber and select Create Device Template. The 5-step Create Device wizard is shown. Enter a descriptive new name for the template that provides enough detail for others to easily identify the correct template for a future installation. When you have entered a new name for the template, make sure to select the icon that best describes what type of device will use this template. Note, if required, click the left or right arrow to see more device type icons. When you are ready, click the next step. Step 2 is now displayed to assign the basic device settings. Select the correct alarm format using the drop-down menu. Click on the optional self-test interval and time period to run the self-test. If required, provide the correct pass-fail code or simply enable the checkboxes to use the default values for the selected alarm format. The TG-7FS has two supervisory relay trip outputs, STC1 normally open and STC2 normally closed. All values set by the template can be reviewed and modified when a device is being registered. For this example, we select SIA as the alarm communications format with no self-test. The two STC relay will be configured with the power-related failure conditions on STC1 and the remaining failure condition on STC2. Hover over each failure condition acronym to see the full name. Each of the specific system trouble conditions can be assigned to either relay of the STC relays. Since these relays must be connected to supervised zones on the panel programming must match the configuration of the STC connected to it. CFC number of attempts and other delay times are assigned a default value and remain unchanged in most cases. Select the Next Step button to continue. Step 3 is displayed, where the communication settings will be selected. The template defines if the alarm panel or the Telguard TCC will provide the phone number and the central station account code. This is determined by selecting either the alarm panel or TCC radio button. Note, for partition panels, alarm panel must always be selected. Telguard supports IP signal delivery to the central station for contact ID, SIA, and DMP, based on central station availability. When alarm panel is selected, the Telguard receives the phone number and account code for the central station from the panel. If this option is selected, IP delivery can still be enabled. When TCC is selected, enter the primary and secondary phone number for the central station. The primary and secondary IP path can also be set up if the IP receiver paths have been enabled. For this example, select TCC, enter the primary and secondary receiver numbers, and select the required IP receivers. When the selections are complete, select Next Step. Step 4 is displayed to select any additional services. Here you can enable these optional services if supported by your device. Select the button to enable link supervision as shown. Select the correct link supervision interval, 5-minute or 60-minute supervision, and enter the correct failure and restoral code for the selected alarm format. To use the default failure and restoral codes, enable each checkbox. When the selections are complete, select Next Step. Step 5 is displayed, which shows all selected options for the template for review. Review the template settings and then select the Create Template button to complete the process. A message is displayed that indicates the template was created successfully. Select OK. The Device Template window displays the new template and any other that were previously created. Each of these templates can be edited, copied, or deleted at any time. To return to the window at any time, hover over Subscriber and select Device Template. When registering a new device, simply validate the serial number for the device and select a template from the template list.